So having just wrapped my first experience here at Windrows on the Hudson, I cannot wait to come back for an offsite retreat. We actually have the entire team asking when the next one will be scheduled. It was such an incredible facility and such a great experience, not only from obviously the beautiful location where we are in the Hudson Valley, but everything from the staff to the food to other people here at the venue, where you're just surrounded by an entire community of people that are really here at the top of their game. It's the best of the best. And they just made it such a seamless and enjoyable experience that although you might be sitting in a meeting, you might be sitting in workshops all day long, one, you're in a beautiful setting, you have everything you need, and you don't have to worry about anything. And you couldn't ask for anything more, especially when you're getting together for a group of people for an event, whether it's a corporate retreat or a bridal shower or a wedding. To know that one place really is a one-stop shop in such an incredible setting is the perfect spot.